Ready to ditch the safe chat restrictions and experience Roblox with more unfiltered communication? Let's dive into how you can disable those chat filters, but first, let's talk about using this responsibly. The first step is to log into your Roblox account. Make sure you are on the official Roblox website or within the Roblox app on your device. Once you're logged in successfully, you'll need to access your settings menu. This is where we can adjust our chat settings. Find the settings icon. This usually looks like a gear or cogwheel. Click on this icon. This will open the settings window, where you can manage your account details and privacy preferences. From this menu, we'll go into the privacy section. In the settings menu, look for the privacy tab and click on open it. This section controls who can contact you and how you interact with others on Roblox. This is where we'll adjust our settings related to communication. Look for a section related to communication settings. Look for the option that governs how you communicate with other players. It will likely say who can chat with me. Click on this option and then on the selection menu you will want to adjust these settings. Here you'll have choices like friends, no one, or everyone. Choosing everyone effectively eliminates the safe chat restrictions for your account. Important warning: by choosing everyone, you open yourself up to potentially seeing messages with inappropriate language or content. Be aware of the risks. Consider parental controls and monitoring your chat interactions. Roblox offers some additional parental controls for safer experiences. Always report any unwanted content. Be safe out there. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted your chat settings on Roblox. Remember, use this freedom responsibly. Stay safe and happy gaming. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more Roblox tips.